This is like having your own cameraman follow you around. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and I'm checking out this. This is the Pivo Pod Silver Edition, and it's an amazingly cool little piece of technology. Now, the concept's pretty straightforward. It is a little base that you put your phone on, you tighten it up, and then you use the Pivo app, and with that, it will actually move the base so that you're always on camera. So, it kind of sounds confusing, but I'm gonna go ahead and power it on, and it is a rechargeable. It has 10-hour battery life once you charge it with its micro USB connection. It, of course, includes a micro USB cable. And then I'm going to go ahead and launch the Pivo app. And let's see, we'll have to just get it to reconnect. And so now it is reconnected. And so you can see, so one of the things it comes with is, well, oops. Now you can see, right? So I have a feeling it's probably I'm too close, but if I move, yeah, I'm too close, so it can't see me. But if I do this, then maybe as I move, it should move. Well, this is not a great demo. So instead, let's switch to a real demo. What I did is I hooked this up onto a tripod, and then I simultaneously recorded using the Pivo app. I recorded what I saw on my phone screen while it was recording, and I used my camera to record the entire setup. So let's just watch that, and I'm going to switch views back and forth, and hopefully it'll all be in sync. All right, so this is my demo here, and as I move around, it's going to track with me, and you can see from the various angles, I can just look at myself on my phone and know that it's working correctly. Now, one thing you really want to do is make sure your phone's at the correct height so that your head's about in the middle. And that's not easy when you're standing up, so you'll want to think through like a tripod or something. But here's my fridge, and if we walk over here, then here's my sink. I know you can't see it because it's not low enough, and that's because I have auto zoom. Now, one of the interesting artifacts of auto zoom is that it's trying to keep my face the same size. So if I walk towards the camera, it'll actually zoom out as I go, which is actually a pretty cool kind of Hollywood effect. And then if I back up quickly, you'll see it zooming in to try to get that same image aspect ratio. So there's my demo. I hope that was interesting. I hope you were impressed by that demo. I'm really impressed by this device. Now, it also comes with a remote control, so you can even control it just from your hand, so you can sort of fine-tune things as you go. Now, they call it a tracking camera base. It's probably a pretty good name for it. And the difference between the original and the Silver Edition is this can rotate twice as fast, which means it does a much better job of tracking you as you move around. They say it takes only 4 seconds to do a full 360, which is not bad, actually. As you saw in the demo, it does keep up pretty well. As I said, it has a 10-hour battery life. It has little built-in feet, so kind of cute. You can do that, and now you can use this directly. But obviously, as I demonstrated earlier, you have to have it far enough away that your face actually is on camera. Now, you can also use it in this orientation, and there's a lot of fun things you can do with that. So one of the things you get, obviously, is you still get the auto tracking, but you also get 9 different create modes, and here's a quick screenshot of what that looks like in the app. There are also a bunch of really interesting settings, including different types of tracking, as you can see here. So this gives you what they call multi-stream live also, which is really nice. That's in the app much more than it is the base, but the idea is that you can live stream to, say, Facebook and YouTube simultaneously. So if I wanted to do a great cooking video or a dance video or a performance where I might be moving around, whatever it is, this will do that, and it'll work fine simultaneously, multiple streams. Very cool. It also has what's called smart capture, which is super fun. So you can set it up so if you clap your hands or say cheese or make a particular hand gesture, it will then do a quick 3-second countdown and take a screenshot. So that can be really nice if you're setting up with your friends, or you're at horseback, or you're on your bike or something, and you just want to make sure it catches a picture as you go past, even as it's tracking you, right? All of that automatic. So also has panoramic mode, and there's some really neat things they're doing with capturing as it rotates around. I was unable to test that because I'm sort of stuck in the house, but there's some really great demos online you can check out. So has these stabilizer legs, but it also, much more useful, has a 1/4-inch thread for tripods. This is a standard tripod thread. So I had it work just fine with some of my larger tripods, which gave me a lot of flexibility. Obviously, remote control, charging cable, it's pretty much all it comes with. There is a tiny little spirit level on the very top, so when you are using it in this sort of mode, you can make sure you have it level, because I hope it's obvious, if you end up using it in an angle like that, then you're going to go from being really low to being really high to being really low. It's going to be really confusing. It's really pretty important for this to be level, or for you to experiment and see what kind of different results you can get. But suffice to say, this is really a keeper. If you want to be doing performances, if you want to be doing, as I sort of demonstrated, you could do a cooking show, and as you walk around in your kitchen, it will just automatically track you. How cool is that? Oh, I did want to mention one thing, is that I did use a wireless external microphone with my phone, which is why the audio sounded good. That's something you're going to want to really think about, because if your phone is 10 feet away and you're using it to record audio and video, that audio is not going to sound really great. So unless you're going to do a voiceover later or something, you might want to invest in some sort of microphone technology. So I've reviewed more than one that works with the smartphone, so you can check that out on my YouTube channel. Speaking of which, I'm going to ask if you can subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate when you do that, and the more subscribers I have, the more leverage I have to get interesting gadgets and gizmos and test them out. So that's really all I have, and this is just one of those devices where 20 years ago, you wouldn't even have dreamed you could build something like this. And now, this is something that's eminently affordable. In fact, there's a substantial discount on this going on their website right now. So let's get to the price, right? So this is the Pivo Pod Silver Edition, and it's $199, but wait, it's actually discounted down to $139 right now at getpivo.com. And if you want to take your vlogging or videos or cooking or dance or yoga or bicycling, whatever it is you want to do, if you want to take it to the next level with your video work, this might be the ticket. So definitely worth checking out. And with that, I'll catch you in my next video.